Malakihang unbox naman tayo. Diba laki-laki? Sana yan, diba? Unbox daw siya, pero hindi pala siya handa. Hindi pala handa ang parcel.
You are a pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memory. I rent a car you can't afford, put a song that we both know, let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor, flame your light, take a smoke, put your broken lip off, wafers on, doesn't matter.
Kabuhayan showcase. Kabuhayan showcase to.
Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together. We both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up. 'Cause we will still be high when
Ay! Baliktad pa! Baliktad pa pagbukas! Ay, carry na rin. Nabaliktad pa ng person. Naman po. Ayan! Sink ito, sink. Doon sa ating extended na kitchen. Ayaw ko pa naman ng ano. Sorry naman po, baliktad pa yan.
we can pretend the time is still. Stay in the daydream, chase the thrill.
Tada! Baliktad!
Away as we
Sink lang po ito. Si sink. May pa stainless steel na sink. Doon sa ating Pangkabuhayan showcase na extended na area. Para yung bahay natin hindi na magmumukhang bodega. Kasi nga yung bahay namin, diba, bodega na. Andan na, tadan! Andan pa. Tadan! Walang kaayos-ayos yung bahay namin, parang bodega. Tapos baka naman sa susunod, hindi na rin makapag-ayos si Jennifer kasi busy na sa kusina niya, no? Wala din talaga. Ewan ko sa Jennifer.